How to lock iPhone for kids. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. On the Accessibility page, scroll down to the General section and tap on Guided Access. Here, turn on the toggle switch for guided access. Now, go to any app you want to use this feature on, such as YouTube. To start guided access, triple-click on the power button. The guided access menu will appear. Tap Start in the top right corner. You will be prompted to set a passcode. Enter your passcode and re-enter it to verify. A notification will confirm that guided access has started. The device is now locked to the current app. To exit, triple-click the side button again and enter your passcode. Then, tap on End in the top left corner to disable the feature. Following these steps, you can easily lock an iPhone for kids.